Hi students, in this class we are going to see few examples on first law of thermodynamics. In this question, when heat energy of how much heat energy 1500 joule is supplied to a gas Q is supplied to, so heat is added, so plus 1500 joules, and external work done by the gas is 525. So it's a plus or minus work done by the gas. Before that we should write delta Q is equal to delta U plus delta W. So work done by the gas is positive depending on this equation. Okay, next, increase in internal energy, directly substitute the values. Delta U is equal to delta Q minus W. Going to the next question. Calculate the external work done by the system in kilocalories. 400 kilocalorie, 40 kilocalorie heat is supplied to the system. See, why I took this question is, here energy is in joules, so change in internal energy in joules convert into calories. 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 joules. Okay, 4.2 joules. Based on this you can substitute the equations and you can get the answers. Next, when 1 gram of water at 100 degrees Celsius is converted into steam at 100 degrees Celsius, it occupies a volume of 1671 cc. Volume it is occupied 1671 centimeter cube at normal atmospheric pressure. Okay, find the increase in internal energy of the molecules of system. Increase in internal energy, so delta Q is equal to delta U plus W. So W we have P into integral P dV. So in this case at atmospheric pressure he is saying, so P is constant, is in V2 minus V1. So what is the change in volume? It's velocity, no, it's volume. So volume in the steam into volume of steam minus volume of liquid. How to get the volume of liquid? 1 gram is given, m is equal to 1 gram, density is equal to 1 gram per cc, so volume is equal to 1 centimeter cube. Okay, so this is the initial volume of a liquid and it is converted into how much? 1677 cc. So pressure into 1 atmosphere is nothing but Pascal 10 power 5, 1.0 10 power 5 Pascal into 1671 minus 1. So this is the work done. Work done by whom? Work done by the gas. So work done by the gas, so internal energy, so Q is equal to, this is important, Q is equal to, now 1 gram of mass converted into 1 gram of steam. So it's not like ms into delta T, here is mass into latent heat. Mass is how much? 1 gram, and get the L value of steam, latent heat of steam. So Q value you got, it's heat added plus and work done by the gas, so plus, so delta U is equal to Q minus W, delta U, so Q minus W you will get. So in the thermodynamic process, pressure of a fixed mass of a gas is changed in such a manner that gas releases 20 joules of heat. So Q gas is releasing minus 20 joules and 8 joules of work done on the gas. Work done on the gas is 8, which means minus 8 joules work done on the gas. Initially, what is initially internal energy is given, get the value of, so final minus U initial is nothing but change in internal energy, right? So substitute the values, you will get simple questions I am doing. So calculate the difference between the two specific heats of nitrogen. Okay, this one I will do in the next video. I missed one question actually. Okay, thank you.